Major point discussed. One was Baingani issue was taken up. Baingani issue was taken up in the sense now back again as far as the standards are concerned. It will be floated back again. So that will be within 3 months time. Okay, and sir, all the other basically the review meeting was taken on all the other plants whichever are there. For different plants are there. Just taken a stock of them.
बांगणी प्लांट जातलो न्हू बाबू?
बांगणी प्लांट जातलोच.
आणि कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर सर थोडे एम्पॅनल्ड करपाचे आशिल्ले वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट
चालू आय थिंक 1st February is the day. I think the last day of the tender process.
Okay. So all issue have been solved regarding the Baingani? The opposition group asle no local MLA.
See, there is no question of where as far as the opposition is concerned. Baingani plant has been even cleared by the Supreme Court. So all all the process has already been followed as far as the plant is concerned. Now there was some delay as far as the tendering process. Last tender, I think, it was some 3 years back. So that is the reason, since as far as the rates and all has escalated, that's the reason the fresh tender will be taken.
The local MLA asa to maso oppose kartalo.
See, this is basically benefit for everyone. So let us not go on a particular MLA or something like that. This will be beneficial for full Tiswadi area itself.
Retender
Ratalo. And by within 3 months time, all this process will be ready. Complete.
थळावा आमदार राजेश म्हणटा मंत्र्यान खूप जागा घेतल्या ताणी स्वताच्या सुवातेर घालचो बांगणी प्लांट नाका.
तो बाबूश हो लास्ट कितली वर्सांच जाली आता आपण थंय ट्रीटमेंट गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट हाडटलो म्हणटा पण ते केन्नाच सक्सेस जावचें ना. म्हाजें ताका इतलें विचारप आमी हो गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट आमी मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन बसून हो स्क्रॅप केल्लो आसा. परत जान परत म्हणून आमच्या मतदारसंघाच्या लोकांची भावना तेणी परत दुखोवप न्हू. ताका जर इतलेच गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंटाचेर जर पडलेलें आसा अदरवायज तेजे फार्म आसा तालिगांव तेजे फाटल्यान आख्खे शेत तेणीच घेतलेलें थंय घालचो. म्हाज्या मतदारसंघान बाबूशाचो आनी व्हडलो जरी कोण येयलो जाल्यार हांव थंय गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट हाडपाक दिवचें ना.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.